My name's Steve Milthorpe and I run Ministry Militaria. Like a lot of kids of my era, we used to make model kits, and then I think in about 1969 I had a holiday in Jersey. There's a lot of wartime artefacts still around the island, and also the Battle of Britain film came out that year, 1969, and badgered my mum and dad into taking me to see it, and I loved it. Loved everything about it, and of course we're going and seeing all the museums in Jersey and the places. I was just hooked. But I've always been a collector of RAF, the military items, and the website is just a progression of the collection. Just love the history of the items, meeting likewise minded people who are interested in some sort of things as myself. Some great characters out there, and yeah, it's just an enjoyable time. Initially I used to sell on eBay, and I found they're a bit restricted. Didn't like their procedures, and same as a lot of people, they started with eBay, got fed up with it, moved on. I decided to take, a lot of my friends have got websites, so I decided to take the plunge and have a go myself. A couple of my friends had already got sites with you, and they recommended me. Close friend also really recommended you, and he says, you know, have a bash, have a go, and yeah, I'll look back. I really love the flexibility of the site. It's great because, for instance, I can list numerous items and put them on a time delay, so they sort of make themselves go live, rather than you having physically to sit there and click a button and make it live, which is great. You know, I can sort of list all my items in a day or two, sit back and just let them load. Fantastic. The HD photos, you get really good crisp photos on the site, and you're able to put a lot of them on as well, which is another good feature. For instance, if you're looking at a website and you're looking at buying something, you need to gather as much information as possible, and photographs are far better than descriptions. They say a photograph speaks 1,000 words, and they do, because you need to see the condition of the item, and you have to be confident in yourself that you're looking at something that's being described to you is correct. So again, the HD photos, I think they really play a good part in that. Doesn't matter what you write in the description, if your photos are good, they'll sell it anyway. Great. Anytime I get a problem, ring up. Usually talk to Jed, somebody like that, and yeah, he gets me pointed in the right direction and job done. Chalk and cheese, yeah. The old website did its job to start off with, but now it's sort of I've progressed. So I'd never go back. Let's put it that way. Forget eBay, go straight into having a website.